Because who knows when the last time he fired this thing. Yeah.
Yeah, it's old oil, but it's not bad.
Does it smell like gas? Or it's diesel, isn't it?
No, this is a gas unit.
Oh.
Change the oil quick. I got oil.
And it's leaking a little bit from. I mean, you've got the.
Yeah,
It's got a little bit of a leak right there, but it's got gas or it's got oil in it.
Oh, really?
So that doesn't make me too nervous there. But
This is one hell of a monster generator.
Because when I was a kid, I knew all about these. I haven't played with them since I was in high school.
Oh, well. These are one of those things like you've been saying. If you don't use it, you lose it. You know. It's,
so the tank looks to be dry, which that's actually not a bad thing because
So we need some gas.
if we're going to spin it, I'd rather spin it without it kicking on just in case there's a problem. All right, let's see how much damage we can do.
okay, let me get around you.
Need a couple of nuts.
Grounded. Well, I'm just going to touch it and see if it, because if he's got that set, then it may try and spin.
No, I think he was jumping between wires is what he was doing.
Yeah, so that's not set there, which is good.
Hmm.
For that.
This is
It's 3 wires. It's got a hot lead running over to this one, and that one. I would say
there's another dial down here too. I don't know exactly what that does, but yeah.
Okay, what we got This is 4-way connector. We only have 3 leads. What do we got here?
Neat. Oh. Exactly which one it is.
Makes it wonderful. Put the battery, so
Okay.
it's safe there.
Negative.
Lift the blue.
And I'm going to touch the positive. Okay. It's on it.
Let me see what I can do here. Contact there. I didn't know I was going to be doing this, so I brought my meters. Nothing there. That's the ignition module. Just want to see if I can get it to spin.
The intricate work. I mean, I'll get the battery. Well, since you're playing with power. You don't want that to go wrong. Oh my God! What are you doing?
Where's
Sorry.
it going? It's headed out in the desert.
Check it out. His hair is standing straight on end.
Never seen that before.
Just a little bit of a jolt.
I feel like Dave from 2001. It's full of stars.
It's full of stars. I'm sorry, Dave. I can't do. Still,
Let's
one of the
see what we
scariest
can do over
movies.
here. Go ahead and hook us
Oh,
up again.
okay.
See if we get anything.
All right, here we go.
Nothing there. Nothing there. Nope. So there's much more to this than meets the eye. Yep, this isn't going to run. So this needs to be kind of pulled down and wiring traced.
Okay.
A couple of bits and pieces, but